Go.
And we're live. Okay. So you got your quiz up or your group meeting thing?
What?
All right. So number 3, I got 0.175. Is that what you got?
No.
That's not what you got?
No.
All right, what'd you get?
I'm pulling up the applet. I guess I didn't do the right quiz. It's okay. Oh, I did do the right quiz.
All right, so you got, what answer did you get? Babe?
I didn't do that one. I'm sorry. Just 1 second.
Okay, no problem.
My teeth hurt.
No, I'm sorry, baby.
It's okay. Just 1 second, okay?
No problem, baby.
I don't know how to do this, I guess.
All right, so do you have your applet, your template
Yeah.
thing? All right, so copy the 1.358 and you just copy and paste that into your z-score. And the
then
one
I
on the
do
right.
the
Then you hit
second.
you hit enter, excuse me, and then you highlight to the right of the positive one and to the left of the negative one. So you should have blank in the middle, and then you should have 2 blues on each side.
0.1745.
Yes, and then you round that to 3 decimal places.
0.175.
There you go. All right. For number 4, excuse me, you take the 177.6 minus 185 divided by 26.7, and that gives you your z-score.
I don't know how to do it. Sorry.
All right, so I'm going to do it really quick with you. So 177.6 minus 185 equals negative 7.4, and then you take that and you divide by 26.7, and you get negative 277. Negative
0.277.
yeah. So you take that to your applet. You put it in the negative side, negative 0.2771, and then it's the same thing. It's the you have the blank in the center, and then you have blue on each side, and then you look up for your probability at the top, and then you round it to the 3rd decimal place.
Okay.
All right, you got the 0.782.
No.
right? No? What'd you get?
0.0056.
All right, so where'd you put the the 0.2771? Where'd you put that? You put that in the z-score, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't really matter which side because one's going to be negative and one's going to be positive.
Right, and then you hit enter, and then you should have like the blue area on the right and the blue area on the left, and you should have a white strip down the middle, right?
There's a lot of white in the middle.
There's a lot of white.
Mm-hmm.
Negative point. Did you make sure you have the 0.277?
Nope, I put a negative 2.771.
There you go. So there we go.
0.782.
Perfect. All right. And number 5.
Can I just read it real quick?
Of course.
Okay, go ahead.
So number 5, I got this cannot be determined from the information given. And I confirmed that one with the tutor here, and he said that was the right one. He can't determine that.
Okay.
Number 6, I got the law of large numbers because the one of the central limit theorem mentions like your shape, and this one doesn't. So this is, my belief, is the law of large numbers. The other one it could be is the normal distribution. So I don't.
That's what I think it is.
You think it is that one? Because when I asked the tutor, he wasn't sure. He was wondering if it was the central limit. I was like, no, the central limit we did last time is about the shape. This sounds more about the large numbers, but I'm not positive on this one.
And that's your tutor?
Yeah, the guy here at the math lab. He said he thought it was the central limit, but if I'm confident on the large numbers, then. But I'm not 100% sure, and I kind of feel like it might be the normal distribution. Here, I'll see if I can get a math lab guy over here.
It is a law of large numbers.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks, baby. Number 7, what you do is you do the 160 minus the 150.8 divided by 8.8. And what'd you get?
Something wrong with my face.
So 160 divided, or shoot, clear that. 160 minus 150.8 equals 9.2, and then you divide by 8.8, and you get your z-score of 1.0454, rounded up to 1.045. Did you get that correct too?
Yeah.
Okay. On the next one, what is the positive probability that the randomly selected student will score above 160? So you take that 1.045, you put in your thing, and then you want to go to the right of it. So if you just have the shaded to the right of that number, the positive, not the negative, but the positive, your probability is 0.148.
One moment, please. I got that.
Perfect. Good job, baby.
Yeah. Woohoo!
All right. Now, number 9, it gets a little tricky.
I got
So
this
now,
one.
okay, which one did you get? What'd you get?
I'm pretty sure.
All right.
But go ahead. You can explain
No,
it.
please go ahead. What would you get for the 2 point what? I'm shutting up now. Go ahead.
No, you're great. 2.338.
Perfect. Good job, baby.
But how do I get that?
So you do you take those 5 numbers there, you add them up, and you divide by 5.
Right.
And that gives you 160. Then you do 160 minus the 150.8.
Yep.
And then this is where it gets tricky. Instead of dividing it by the standard deviation, now you have to do it by the standard deviation divided by the square root of 5, since there's 5 in the sample.
5 numbers.
Yeah. So good job finding that one out, baby. That one took me a second. I had to actually confirm it with a tutor.
I thought you helped me with this one.
What's that? No, you did that one on your own, baby.
Well, you know, I've been here before.
Oh, maybe I helped you with it before. I don't know.
I think you did.
Number 10, what is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem? So I took that z-score.
Yeah.
And put it in.
Oops.
And it gave me a 0.0097, which I rounded up to 0.01.
Nope. It says round your answer to 4 decimal places.
It said 4 decimal places?
On number 10.
Oh, man.
So it's 0.0097.
All right, 1 second.
Know what I mean?
Yeah, let me get back to that. All right, so it's 0.0097. Very good. Thanks for catching me on that, babe. All right, so number 11, what is the shape of the sampling distribution of the random variable x, which represent the sample mean of 81? Well, you start off with all the students at BYU Idaho, so that's 15,000, and you're starting out left, or on your side left skewed. So if it'd be like going this way up, on your side it'd be going this way up, but
it's over 30.
Right, but the 81 is over 30, so then it's bell-shaped. So you can still be a large sample and be skewed, but then like a population, you can be skewed left. But when you take a sample out of it, if you're above 30, that's when you go back to normal. So I put approximately normal, and that was also confirmed. Okay. What is the mean of the distribution of sample means? So basically, this one you just bring down the means up top, so it's a 3.5 down. That's your answer. Is that what you got?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now for 13, you had to do the 0.7 divided by the square root of 81, which is 9. So 0.7 divided by 9 is 0.078.
Yeah. 0.07. Okay. Yeah, then you round up.
Yeah. And then, excuse me, what is the probability that the mean of GPA, so that's when you go with, man, I have the right answer here, but I can't remember what I did to get it. Oh, so you do, yeah, you do the 3.3 minus the 3.5, so you get 0.2, then you get 0.2 and you divide it by the 0.078. And then that gives you a z-score.
Yeah.
I'm going to do that right now. 1 second. 0.2 divided by 0.078 equals a negative 2.564.
I got negative 2.560. Oh, you're right. Sorry. Yep. So then it's 0.005.
1 second. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, so it's 0.005. And then when you want to do the greater than that, you just take 1 and you minus what's less than it. So you get 0.995. Correct?
Yep.
All right.
Correct.
Excellent. Do you have any other questions on this one?
Sure I do, but I did okay, I thought. I don't know.
All right. I'll submit first, okay?
No, it's okay. I already did.
Did you get 100?
No. 88.
Which 88? Which one did you get wrong?
I got 2 wrong. Number 5. This cannot be determined. It can be determined. I knew it too.
Sorry, baby. That's tutor's
No,
fault.
it's
I'm
fine.
sorry.
And then number 4, what did you get for number 4?
0.782.
That's wrong.
It's wrong?
Yeah. And number 5 is the distribution of sample means. So be sure to change that.
Okay.
Number 4 doesn't tell me what it is.
And it says round.
Excuse me.
You answer 3 decimal places. Oh. So when you put, okay. And this one also the tutor helped on. This is a different tutor. So 177.6 minus 185 equals that divided by 26.7 is that long number. And then, so a negative 0.2771. Now it says on the question, we highlighted both sides on that.
Yeah, I think it's not.
It says find the probability that the random sample patches will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme, either above or below the mean. That was observed. So if it's either or, if it's or, it would be one side or the other. It wouldn't be and would be the one where it's like below and above, right?
And the middle.
So do you think it's just one side of that template then?
Oh,
So
I
the
don't know.
probability, because the probability on both of them would be 78%. Just one side would be 39.1 or be 0.391%. So should I just try that one then?
Sure. Sorry.
All right, we'll see if that goes.
Did you change number 5?
I did. Yep, I got 4 wrong again.
I think it's the middle and the one side. Because it says, oh man, I'm gonna have to go. My teeth really hurt.
Okay, baby.
Oh, never mind. I can't pull it up. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Because it says, find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme. So meaning as extreme is that is you know what I'm saying?
In between.
Plus one more. Plus more extreme. We got this one wrong last time around too. Adam was not very happy.
So it would have been 0.608.
I think so. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No problem.
All right.
All right, baby. So 1 second. Let me end the. No, okay. I'll give you a call here in about 5 minutes. Okay.
Sounds good. Thanks.
All right. Yep.
Bye.
Bye, baby.